So have you ever had a low country boil? They're amazing, right? The flavors with the shrimp, the sausage, the potatoes, onions, all these flavors together is absolutely amazing. The problem is you only get it at this big get-togethers, big parties. You never do it at home. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do it at home. I'm gonna show you the secrets to cooking a low country boil, individual servings at home on a Weber Kettle grill. It's absolutely delicious. And stick around, I got a twist. I'm gonna do a Carolina style barbecue butter drizzle twist to take this thing and carry it to the moon. It's absolutely amazing. When you try this recipe, you'll fall in love with it just like we have. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers, and today I'm gonna try to make low country boil at home on a Weber Kettle grill. So let's get to prepping. So we're cooking. Come on, you're gonna try this bad boy. So before we go inside and prep for low country boil, we gotta get the Weber Kettle grill started. We're gonna use royal charcoal, supersized chunk with some tumbleweeds, and we're gonna add some extra flavor to this with some hickory wood chunks from Waxhaw Woodworks. Links down below. So as you see, I've got the Weber Kettle grill set up at 2-zone cooking. The bottom is wide open right now with the lid off. What I want to do is let these coals get really hot, and then we'll go here and start cooking our low country boil. But now, let's go inside and prep. Come on. So a lot of people think when you cook low country boil, you gotta have big parties and big events. You gotta cook a lot of it. Today, I'm gonna show you how that's wrong. I'm gonna show you how to do individual serving size of low country boil. To start with, here's our ingredients. I have 2 ears of corn. I've cut them about 1.5 inch thick pieces. I have 1 sweet onion. I've cubed it up in pieces for the boil. And I have a 1-pound bag of little red potatoes. I'll put them in a half pan, just like this. I also have 2 packages of andouille sausage. I've sliced up like this. And I have 2 pounds of Carolina 21/30 count shrimp. So my grill outside is up temperature. Right now, I'll take my potatoes on there and get them started cooking. Come on, meet you at the grill. So as you can see, we got the fire started. Let's put the rack in there. Now I'll open this here up, wide open. And I'm gonna close the bottom of it off just a little bit. So while this is getting hot, let's go back inside and finish prep work. So this is our Carolina Gold BBQ Butter drizzle. I tell you what, this thing makes this flavor amazing with this. Start with, you got a stick of Kerrygold salted butter, melted. Then we add 2 tablespoons of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. And then half a teaspoon of Elite Barbecue Smoker Smokey Heat rub. Then 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Take a little whisk it all together. So you want this Carolina butter drizzle to be warm, so make sure you keep it warm. Don't let it get cold. We'll put it on the grill, but keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn it. So now I got the Weber grill up temperature. I'm gonna take this half pound of little red potatoes. I'm gonna put them on the grill in the direct center. I'm gonna cook these to their probe tender. About 5 minutes into it, I'm gonna add the corn to the mix. And again, every 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna keep rotating and kind of stirring it up. Once the potatoes are probe tender, which will be about 20 minutes, I'm gonna pull them off, carry them inside and let them rest. I don't want to overcook them here. Now, once we get inside, now next step, we're gonna make the full boats for the low country boils. So we brought our corn and our little red potatoes inside, been cooking on the grill. We got everything else ready. Let's start making them 4 packets. I got 4 of these right here. We're doing 4 of them today. So what I've got here is heavy duty tennis full. I've doubled it up right now because I think doubling up is safe for bed. What I'm gonna do is start with the first one. Add a couple potatoes to it. A couple pieces of corn to it. Handful of sausage to it. A little bit of onions to it. Lemon, since I didn't do this ahead of time. Drop it in. Do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, we got more coming to it later. I'm gonna roll this and get it out of the way. So I got my shrimp here. They've been shelled and also deveined. Take a little bit of olive oil, kind of act as a binder. Now my first rub is gonna be Elite Barbecue Smokers SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. Next rub is Elite Barbecue Smokers Smokey Heat rub. And then a little bit of Old Bay because it's a low country boil. Mix it all up. All right, open it up. We're gonna add about 1/4 of our shrimp, about a half pound's worth. I'm gonna add some Old Bay seasoning to it. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it. I add about 1/4 cup of some chicken stock. I'm gonna wrap it up tight. That's our low country boil. So my Weber Kettle grill is set at 400 degrees right now. So now I'm gonna take my low country boil full packets and arrange it on the grill, kind of strategically around. But every 5 minutes, I'm gonna rotate around to make sure I get even cook. So our Carolina butter drizzle is on the grill to stay warm, and make sure you don't burn it, so keep an eye on that. All right, we're 20 minutes into it. Let's see what we got. Smell good, man. Start seeing right there. See the shrimp start changing, start curling in themselves, start changing the colors. That boy there's ready. Start changing that color, get a beautiful color you're looking for, and start curling. That tell you shrimp's done. Pour these bad boys off. Hey, we found these on Amazon. These things are amazing. They're collapsible, got a top serving tray. Check it out. Links down below in the Amazon cart. Hey, if you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me what you think about this video, and please subscribe to our channel. That warm. Okay, we'll let it rest just a few minutes. I tell you what, I wish you could smell these things. They smell absolutely amazing. Yeah, see inside. Come on. Now it's time to taste it. So here's what's special about this. This is how you serve it. Now you just take this, throw it away. It's perfectly easy, man. No mess, simple. Just here's how you do it. Now, next thing to do, you gotta add some more flavor to it. Remember that butter we made? Carolina drizzle? That's what you're doing right there. Start a show, shrimp. See how it perfectly is curled up. Perfect. Yo, this is absolutely delicious. Piece of sausage we got. Perfect. Potatoes, see, it's not too soft. Great flavor to it, man. Little piece of corn. Hot. So the corn's delicious, got a little crunch to it, which I like, but if you like more of a well-done corn, put it on when you put potatoes on, because it is absolutely delicious, though. This mustard butter drizzle we have, it brings out the flavor of the shrimp, brings out the flavor of the sausage, again, the corn and potatoes, brings it all together. This thing is absolutely amazing. This is one of the recipes you make. Everybody in the world is gonna love you for it. You'll keep getting asked every time to bring this to the next get-together, so you might not want to make this, because this could get expensive, but it's absolutely delicious. If you like what you've seen, if you like what we had, leave a comment down below. Tell me how you make your low country boil. Love to hear about that. And please subscribe to our channel and also hit the alert button. Now it's time to say the blessing. Go inside to eat. But first, gotta let Dolly and Lucy try the sausage. Lucy, good girl. Dolly, good girl. Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Let's go eat. Lord, bless food by receipt. Just name pray. Amen. Cheers. See you next time. Ain't delicious. Come on.